Hi babe, I just wanted to hop on here and show you how I achieved those beautiful Bantu knots that you just saw. I'm starting on freshly washed and moisturized hair, and I'm using this hair cream from Shiny Organics as a styler. I also have a parting comb, a huge bamboo white tooth comb, and a paddle brush. Oh, and some scrunchies for sectioning. Now, let's get to the main process. First things first, I parted off the front section of my hair. And mind you, my hair is not stretched. Like I said, it's freshly washed. So it was a bit of a struggle, yeah. If you can stretch your hair beforehand, please do. Because I think it would have been a whole lot easier for me if I had stretched my hair beforehand. Unfortunately, I was in kind of a bit of a hurry, so I had to push through the pain. Next, I sectioned off the back section of my hair. That was definitely easier because my back hair is really soft compared to my front or even the middle. I ended up with 3 sections, but then I decided the middle section was too big. Now the plan was to divide the middle section into 2, but boy was it unpleasant. Unlike the hair at the back of my head, the middle hair is tough and it's really dense. It was such a struggle. Like, I had to drop my parting comb and use my fingers before I gave myself a migraine. After successfully using my fingers to part the Red Sea, I used the parting comb to, make the section a little smoother. It was still tough, but it was definitely not as bad as it would have been if I didn't use my fingers first. Now that that's out of the way, let's get bantuing. Starting with the back now, I applied some of the hair cream styler. I made sure to, rub it in thoroughly and properly. Then I parted my first section and also thoroughly detangled it. First, I used my white tooth comb and then I used the paddle brush. This was just to make sure that there is no knot or tangle that is hiding in any corners. When I was done detangling, I started rolling the section. I bent my neck very well to make sure that I wasn't rolling it too tightly. Like, I want the Bantu knot to be firm, but not to the point where I start getting those little bumps at the edge of my hair. So I basically repeat, the same process all over my head until I'm done. Part a section, detangle with a white tooth comb, then a paddle brush, and then, I roll the section into a Bantu knot. When I got to the front, I had the crazy idea to leave some hair strands out, and it turned out actually really pretty. Now, occasionally I would contort my face into a smile or a frown or a pout just to make sure that I wasn't rolling my hair up too tightly. I wanted to make sure that I could laugh without giving myself a headache. Once I was done with the Bantu knots, I took some of the hair cream styler and I used it to define the strands that I had left out. After over an hour, this is how the style came out looking, and I couldn't be more proud of myself. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and if it was, please like this video, drop a comment and subscribe. Now, I kept the Bantu knots for about a week and then I loosened them just to see how my hair would look like. Remember that I used a hair cream styler when I was doing the knots, so I was very optimistic about how, the outcome was going to look like. At the end of everything, this is how my hair ended up looking, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So tell me, will you be trying Bantu knots anytime soon? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!